Hi, I'm Sylvie. This is Beyond Financial Reset. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will receive notification when we release videos every week. If you have already subscribed to our channel, thank you. We appreciate you. In this video, I'll be talking about 9 reasons why you are still in debt. To find out, keep watching. Welcome back. In this video, I'll be talking about 9 reasons why you're still in debt. The very first reason is that you're living above your means. So basically, you're spending more than you're making. So if you're making 2,000 US dollars a month and then you are spending 2,500 US dollars a month, you have to find ways of making up that extra $500 that you need to spend. So what are you going to do? You most likely will turn to a credit card, for example, to be able to afford that extra lifestyle. So that's how you get into debt. The second reason is that you do not have a budget. Many people do not have a budget. If you have a budget, let me know in the comments. But a lot of people don't create a budget. And if you do not have a budget, you're not telling your money where to go. It's like you leave the house, you're going to work, but you don't know where work is. Are you going to get there? No. So that's how your money gets lost, because you're not telling it where to go. So you need to start off by creating a budget every month before you spend your money. The third reason is that you are spending before you save. So when your paycheck comes in and you spend it before you save it, it means you're not prioritizing yourself. So saving is basically saying that I come first. So I would encourage you to at least save 10% of your income before you start spending your money. The fourth reason is that you are keeping up with the Joneses. That's right, the Joneses. You probably have heard of the saying that the Joneses are broke, which in this case is social media. Everybody on social media seems to be living a wealthy lifestyle. But that's not the case, because there's a lot to the pictures you see on social media. So stop trying to keep up with the Joneses and make a financial plan for your budget and work with your financial plan instead of trying to keep up with the Joneses, which in this case are broke. The fifth reason is that you carry a balance on your credit card. If you have a credit card and you do not know how to utilize your credit card, and you are carrying a balance on your credit card, you are likely paying interest on your credit card. And so instead of paying yourself, you're paying the credit card companies. So pay off your credit cards every month. And if you are not able to pay off your credit cards every month, you need to make a plan to pay off those credit cards and stop using them. The sixth reason why you are in debt is that you are making spending decisions on impulse. Have you ever gone to the grocery store or bought something that you did not plan to buy? Yes, that's what we're talking about. Buying something on impulse that you did not plan to buy. If you do this all the time, because I'm sure everybody has done this at some point in their life, then that will cause you to go into debt. So how can you prevent this from happening? Make sure that you remove your credit cards from those shopping sites. And again, make a budget so that when you go to the grocery store, you are working with your budget. Listen, the seventh reason why you are in debt is that you're making emotional spending decisions. This happens a lot, especially for people who have kids. When they come in with their little cute faces, Mommy, I want this. Daddy, I want this. Yeah, you're like, okay, you know what? That's the reason why I work. They deserve that. But no, those kids do not live on toys. They'll be okay. They need other things like love and affection to survive. So we do not need to be spending all that money and buying all those cute toys for them. We need to plan our purchases. Make sure that you are thinking through your spending decisions. I would recommend that if you're going to buy something that costs more than $300, spend 24 hours to sleep on it before you hit buy. The eighth reason why you're in debt is that you do not have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a roadblock that prevents you from going into debt. Now imagine that you do not have that roadblock. So there's nothing stopping you from going into debt. So you need to take the time to build up that emergency fund so that in case something were to happen, because I tell you, something will happen. It's just a matter of when. When something happens, you can dip into your emergency fund instead of reaching for that credit card so that you do not go into debt. Okay? I do recommend that you build up an emergency fund of at least 6 months of your monthly expenses so that you have a nice little cushion. So in case something happens, again, you are not reaching for that credit card. The last reason why you are in debt is because you do not have a realistic debt repayment plan. That's right. If you do not have a plan for how to get out of debt, my friend, you are going to stay in debt. So I do recommend that you enroll in an easy 3-step debt elimination plan and start getting rid of your debt today, because we have gotten rid of our debt and we can help you eliminate your debt so you can start building wealth today and live the life that you want. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today. Click the link below and then watch the next video. I love you for watching. You can do this.